Polk is suing Jeanette Wilson for vandalizing her car and harassment.
Order. All rise. It's case number 305 on the calendar, the matter of Polk versus Wilson.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Parties have been sworn in. May be seated. Folks, have a seat.
Ms. Polk, I read the complaint and the answer and the counterclaim in this case, and what I'm getting from both of you is that you were involved in an automobile accident with the defendant.
Yes.
It appears that the accident was your fault.
Yes.
The defendant was driving a brand new car. She had gotten it a day or so before, correct?
Yes.
And it had insurance on it, correct?
Yes.
After the accident, which took place in a parking lot,
Yes.
after the accident, the defendant went to the police station. You were supposed to follow her.
No. Yes.
Just a second. Had you exchanged information?
Yes, I gave her my name.
You gave her your name.
My name and my number. Yes.
Name and phone number.
Yes.
Did you give her your insurance card?
I did not give her my insurance card. My insurance card came out with my valid driver's license. She thought I had insurance, but I told her I hadn't paid my insurance.
Just a second. So the problem was you were driving your car that was uninsured.
Yes.
That's the problem. Now, she used her insurance to fix her car, but she had a $1,000 deductible. That was your responsibility. Let's get the facts of this case straight out, because I have a feeling you're not processing what this is all about, because you're suing her for harassing you.
Yes.
Because she wanted her money.
Yes.
Other than that, she wouldn't have called you. She wouldn't have called you 100 times or 50 times. She wanted her money because you were driving around, you hit her brand new car, you had no insurance, and you were dodging her.
I was not dodging her.
Absolutely. Did you give her her $1,000?
No.
Well, she's going to get it today. So let's understand what the ground rules are here. Your allegation is that Miss Wilson vandalized your car.
Yes.
And the accident to her car that you caused happened on what date?
It happened on May 13th.
Now, she had your name and telephone number. Did you ever speak to her on the phone?
Well, she did. She claimed I didn't give her she didn't write down the right number at first, so she called Progressive, and Progressive was calling me, and I told Progressive to give her my right phone number.
So not only did you give her no insurance card because you didn't have one, but you gave her a phony number when she wrote down your number.
No, I did not.
Oh, yes, you did. Oh, yes, you did.
I didn't give her a phony number. That's
Yes.
why I told Progressive to give her the actual phone number.
That was only because you got called by what you considered an authority.
Well, no, she
But at the street, when you asked her for your name, you gave her your name, didn't give her your license, didn't give her a registration for the car, didn't give her anything, and you gave her a telephone number that turned out to be wrong.
Because she wrote it down wrong.
No. She's driving a brand new car that you just hit in an accident that was your fault. I guarantee you Miss Wilson did not write down the number wrong, because that doesn't make sense. What makes sense is that you were smarty pants and gave her the wrong number and figured she would go away. Well, she didn't go away.